Good Monday morning, first graders. Today is Monday, August the 24th, 2020. Dear all, we hope you enjoyed your first week of virtual learning. Thank you so much for returning your work to your teacher. Today, we will continue learning about extreme weather. Tornadoes are a type of extreme weather. A tornado is a violent, rotating column of air extending from a thunderstorm to the ground. The most violent tornadoes are capable of tremendous destruction, with wind speeds of up to 300 miles per hour. They can destroy large buildings, uproot trees, and hurl vehicles hundreds of yards. They can also drive straw into trees. In an average year, 1,000 tornadoes are reported nationwide. Enjoy your Monday day of virtual learning. Best wishes, your first grade teachers.